Question 8. Question 8 says, given that log 2 equals 0.30103 and log 3 equals 0.47712, calculate without using table log 6 minus log 0.3. Here are the options. Now, we have log 6 minus log 0.3. Now, log 6 is same thing as log 2 times 3. From the rule of log, this same thing as log 2 plus log 3. Now, in the question, I have been given the value for log 2. Log 2 is 0.30103 plus log 3 is 0.47712. If we sum this together, we are going to have 0.77815. That is log 6 is equals to this. Now we have the other part of which is log 0.3. Log 0.3 is same thing as log 3 over 10. And from rule of log is same thing as log 3 minus log 10. Now, log 3 minus 10. In the question, we have that log 3 is 0.47712 minus log 10. Yeah, log 10 is equal to 1 because this is log 10 to base 10, and any log to its base is equals to 1. This is 1. So by the time we subtract the 0.477 minus 1, here we are going to have minus 0.52288. That means log 0.3 is equals to minus 0.52288. Now, the question asks us to calculate log 6 minus log 0.3. And here, log 6 is equals to 0.77815 minus log 0.3 is equals to minus 0.52288. We have this. So here we have 0.77815 plus 0.52288. This will turn to plus because minus times minus will give us plus. And by the time we sum this together, 0.77815 plus 0.52288, that's going to give us 1.30108. And this is going to give us 1.30103. And the options where we have this is option E. That means the correct option here is option E. Ṣó le, kò le.